What's up everyone? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So this is Ankur here. Another vlog. Welcome to another vlog. So today I'm heading towards Rao Seat after a long time, 3 months of wait. I know it's been a long time. So this all happened because of my accident, and after the recovery, this is the first ride I'm going along so far. So let's try. This will be a slow ride and with full of traffic. So today I am going to get my seat installed, which I have placed the order, which you can see it in my last video that I have uploaded, where I've changed my handlebar, and after that I met with an accident. So I did call Rao Seats and they confirmed that the seat is ready, so I'll just have to go there and install it. So let's start the journey here. I'm not sure if the audio is clear or not, as I'm not using any kind of mic in it. I'm using a default inbuilt mic of the GoPro. Hopefully ज़्यादा traffic ना हो expected, but कुछ दिनों से ऐसा बारिश हो रहा है शाम को, so I hope that will not be a scene. अभी तो मौसम खुला है. God knows what will happen maybe after 4 or 5. By that time I should return home. I lost my previous GoPro mount, which I used in this helmet during shifting from one place to another. And now I ordered this from banggood.com. So this is not as great quality as what I had before, but manageable. But when this GoPro is installed, I cannot raise my visor or close my visor if it's open, so I have to remove the GoPro and have to install it. That's the problem. Where to go? So this is Naga in Kasbanahalli. मैं इन ट्रैफिक से लड़ता हूँ तब तक I'll go and directly shoot at the location once I reach Rao Seat. क्या से क्या हो गया, देखो मिलने वाले थे राव सीट्स पे, हो गया बारिश बीच में. अब बारिश रुका. कैसे जाऊं भाई? Okay, let's see. able to manage this. Oh. फ्लड हो गया, फ्लड पूरा. So stuck in rain for at least half an hour. The time now is 1:30. चलो देखते हैं अगर फिर से बारिश ना आ जाए इस समय में. Another 10 more kilometers. शिवाय पानी नहीं मांगे. चलो फिर मिलते हैं राव सीट में. This time I hope I'll reach directly to Rao Seat. without any stoppage. बीच में चाय वाय भी पी लिया. So finally I have reached my destination. So it's just besides Shivajinagar bus stop. It's around a kilometer away from bus stop, main bus stop. To take left, where you can see a circle and a temple. There you can find it. This is Rao Seat. Let me park the bike first. Oh, somebody is calling me as well. डालने का
दाल नहीं है.
हाँ
डालना.
हाँ डालना तो This is the seat. I asked him to create diamond shape, but this is to make it straight line. All right. There it is. Over there. So bike हो गया तैयार, ready to fit. Got the spare seat as well. पता नहीं यार इधर से कैसे निकाले. Chalo, after a long time, work is done. अंधेरा हो गया है. It's not that soft. It's on the harder side. But the seat height is really reduced. Chalo guys, hope you like this video. So let's complete this video here and see you in the next video. Soon I'll be uploading, and the plan is where I'll be going to Goa. That will be a drive from Bangalore to Goa, and that's for 3 days 2 nights. That will be next week. So today is 5th, I think. So we are going on 11th, and I'll surely upload the videos on the same. Till then, bye bye. Please do subscribe to my channel and do like the video if you like it. If you have any comments regarding the same anything, just do comment below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.